Hi, welcome back to Le Petit Kitchen. This is Susie, and today I'm going to show you how to make a really super simple, skinless, boneless chicken thigh that we're going to make in the air fryer. Now, to make this, you're going to need 2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs. You need 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. I'm going to put it in this the Ziploc bag because I let it marinate for an hour, sometimes overnight. You're going to need 2 tablespoons of olive oil. This is my secret ingredient, is organic coconut aminos, and I use this instead of using things in like soy sauce. Soy sauce is like high in sodium. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce has like over 900 milligrams of salt, where this has only got 200. It also gives you a wonderful, wonderful flavor. There we go. 2 tablespoons of that. Okay. Some salt and pepper. I like my Ziploc bags. I use them a lot for marinating meats. I like to marinate my pork chops in lemon juice and olive oil with some spices before grilling them. Makes them nice and tender. Here's our spices. In here I have 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. Okay. I'm going to kind of mix that up a little bit so it's evenly distributed. Perfect. And then we're going to drop in our chicken thighs. Now I trimmed some of the fat off of these. Just like that. I'm going to Ziploc that up. Make sure it's all coated very well. Okay, just like that. Or put that in the refrigerator for at least an hour. You can leave it overnight if you like. And then we're going to air fry it. Okay, so we've preheated our air fryer. The temperature is going to be 380 degrees, and you're going to cook your chicken for about 18 minutes. All right. Careful, this is hot. Now we're going to spritz our air fryer with our olive oil. All right. And like I said, using the sprays that you buy in the store, it's got a lot of chemicals and it can damage your air fryer. So you get these little spritzers and you can put your own olive oil in it. All right, then we're going to take, my air fryer will only hold 2 chicken breasts or 2 chicken thighs. So we're going to put in the chicken thigh like that. And the second one. Yeah. Make sure they're evenly coated with the seasoning there. There we go. All right, this will wait till our second batch. Okay, we're going to put that in there. and let it cook for 18 minutes. We are going to turn it halfway through so that we get the other side. You're going to end up with beautiful, nice, crispy, tender, moist chicken thighs. Okay, so after 18 minutes in our air fryer at 350 degrees, we now have a lovely air fryer chicken thighs, very easy to make, absolutely delicious, and I'm serving mine with black beans and rice. So I hope you enjoy our chicken recipe, and don't forget to subscribe to our site. Check out our site for the recipe for our chicken, and enjoy your evening.